So today I'm gonna try something just for the heck of it. I've got 3 pepperoni slices on a paper towel and they're gonna go in the microwave. Pretty standard over the oven microwave. It's Kenmore. So we're gonna test this out and we're gonna see the difference between microwaving and air frying. Okay, we're gonna take the crisper and put it on the middle shelf. We're gonna go ahead and choose air fry. And then we're gonna set this to, let's do 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and preheat. And we're gonna start the microwave. Okay, I'm gonna take my pepperoni slices. We're gonna put them in the microwave. And let's do 1 minute. We'll see the difference when it comes out. You can already hear it's bubbling. I'm gonna stop it here. 40 seconds. I think 40 seconds was enough, but look at all the grease that's still in it. It's still flexible, but so greasy, nasty. Doesn't really taste that great either. So that's 40 seconds in the microwave. So this is almost done preheating. Go ahead and hit the like button so we can see what's going on in there. So even though it's preheating and I probably shouldn't put it in yet, figured why not? A little bit extra cook time wouldn't hurt. But we're probably not going to do 3 minutes considering. But you can already see the grease dropping out. Perfect timing. So, just started cooking. We're at 400. The fans are kicked on. You can see there's a lot of grease down there now. And that's the benefit of this crisper. That's the benefit of this crisper basket, is that the grease just drops down. And if we wanted to be, extra with it, and if we wanted to be healthier with it, we could flip those pepperonis over and get the rest of the grease out. So we're gonna go down to 2 minutes, see what they look like. Yeah, I think 2 minutes is gonna be good, considering we went 40 seconds on the. So we're gonna hit cancel. Check it out. Now those look much nicer. Let me pull this out as well. You can see the grease that came out of it, along with the pepperoni. So here's what was left behind from cooking the pepperoni in the microwave for 40 seconds. And this was the air fryer for 1 minute. Wow, and it tastes much better too. It tastes like pepperoni fresh off of a pizza, but no grease. So the real question is, which one are you feeding to your family? The one in the microwave? The one in the air fryer? If you bake it, it's definitely healthier, but it's still baking in the grease. And there's the grease that came out of 3 pepperonis. So, let me know what you think. If you have a Power Air Fryer 360 or another air fryer, if you're planning on getting this one. If you have your own air fryer and you're thinking about upgrading, whatever it may be, leave some comments down below. Like, share, always subscribe. That way you can click that bell and get notifications whenever I post a video. And we'll see you on the next one.